Hi, this is Min from She Walks the World, and because Malaysia is currently on a lockdown because of the COVID-19 virus that's going around the world recently, I am not able to walk the world. So instead, I will be walking the world with you with my very trusted walk, which is actually not a walk but a frying pan. But anyway, I will be doing some very simple home cooking that you can do when you're at home. So today we'll be doing a little Malaysian Chinese cuisine, and it's as simple can get. So I'll be doing like a simple steamed pork rib dish as well as tomato egg with rice. And I'll also be using a little seaweed which I got from South Korea the last time I went. So let's begin our menu today. So these are a few pieces of pork ribs that I've already lightly marinated with some salt. I like my soy sauce because it's a Chinese dish after all, and I'm gonna put it in, combined with a little bit of rice wine or shaoxing wine, and then I'm gonna add in some wolfberries. It adds a little bit of sweetness to your steamed dish, and of course, well, if you do a Chinese dish, you can't forget the garlic. So I've already got my rice in the steamer. I like steaming my rice because you can do everything with this multi-layered steamer. And right on the top, I'm going to put in the pork ribs and I'm going to steam it for 20 minutes. So we're going to start on our second dish now, which is the tomato egg. First you heat up the wok and then put some oil. And we'll start with, of course, the garlic. Sorry, a bit clumsy one. Okay, let's spread it evenly. We have the omelette here. Make sure you whisk it properly and then pour in some soy sauce and then pour it in. What you want to do is make sure the omelette is not too cooked or undercooked. So while you're waiting for the omelette to cook on this side, put in the tomatoes. Mix it together. Once the omelette seems like it's done and the tomato looks a little bit cooked, then you can bring it out. And it's done! And the rice. So most people eat the white rice as is, but I like adding a little flavor to it, so I put in some seaweed. I got this idea when I went to Korea. I also bought this seed from Korea. So what you do is you put it all in. It's got a little salt to it. Crisp it up and mix it with the rice. Done! All ready to serve. And there you go, that's my very simple home-cooked Chinese Malaysian meal. Steamed pork, which you can also substitute with chicken if you wish, together with tomato egg and steamed rice and seaweed. I'm gonna enjoy my food now. Thank you for watching She Walks the World, and don't forget to subscribe. This is Min. Bye and bon appetit.